Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you, my students? I hope that you're happy and healthy and ready for today's lesson, which will be enrichments. Today, we'll be taking the lesson and discuss from Unit 4, and these are the objectives: to list the TV programs that you liked or dislike, construct a family TV program, so we'll be discussing TV programs today, determine the types of TV programs, complete the sentences with the new words, find the meaning of new words, match the program with its description, and discuss types of TV programs. So here are some questions for you. Of course, you see here the popcorn and the remote control when you sit alone in the house and you like to watch your favorite TV program. What kind of television programs do you like to watch? Give some examples. What kind of programs do you like to watch? Quiz shows, or maybe cooking shows, car shows, etc. So this is a matter of preference. And why do you like these shows? The second question here: what kind of programs do you dislike and why? Do you dislike and why? Maybe sports shows. Some people don't like sports shows, etc. So what programs do you dislike and why? You have to give reasons. The third question here: which programs listed here would you watch? Which wouldn't you watch? Explain. So the programs listed in today's lesson, which one intrigues you that you want to watch and which doesn't? And of course, you have to explain. So skim read the description of the TV programs, then answer the question. To skim read is to read quickly, just to get the main idea, the general idea of the article, then answer these questions. So take 2 to 3 minutes to 5 minutes maybe to read the articles, then come back to answer these questions. So now we'll be answering the question. The first question here: which program is about cars? From the articles that you have just read, which program is talking about cars? It's a very famous program actually. Yes, that's right, it's Top Gear. The second question here: which program is a documentary? Documentary, to talk about a specific issue. Yes, that's right, the National Geographic videos and show. It's a well-known documentaries, the National Geographic channel, videos and shows. Which program is a quiz show? Which program is a quiz show to answer, to give questions and then answer them and give some awards maybe? Yes, that's correct, the Jeopardy show, or the Jeopardy TV program. Which program is good for family viewing, is suitable for the whole family? Let's see the answer together here. It's the program Hoy. Which is a sports program? Which one is related to sports? Yes, it's Sasuke. Which program is from the US? Which program is from the United States of America? Yes, it's the CSI. It's actually a well-known TV show. So this is the first article here, the first program here, Jeopardy, Tuesday, 9:30 p.m. So let's listen to the article together.
Jeopardy! Tuesday, 9:30 p.m. Jeopardy! Is a unique American quiz show that features trivia in history, literature, the arts, culture, science, sports, geography, wordplay, and more. The show is famous for its unusual answer and question format, which requires contestants to phrase their responses in question form, having been presented with clues. The first episode of the show was aired on March 30, 1964, and went through different stages, as a daytime series and a nighttime show. On September 10, 1984, Jeopardy! Returned as a daily series with Alex Trebek as host.
So here he's talking about Jeopardy! It's one of a kind, a unique TV show, American quiz show that features trivia. We'll be discussing this word later. In history, literature, the arts, culture, science, sports, geography, wordplay, and more. So it has many topics, many issues to give quizzes about. The show is famous for its unusual answer and question format. So the quiz show is an answer and question format, which requires contestants to phrase their response in question form, having been presented with clues. So this is the first program here, Jeopardy. Let's jump to the other one, but before that, let's answer this question here. Facts about past events in history, culture, sports, etc. Give the correct word for this definition. This is a definition. Give the correct word, the term for this definition. Facts about past events in history, culture, sports, etc. So which term in the article represent this definition? Let's see the answer here together. It's the word trivia, because I told you to pay attention to this word. It's the word trivia. So trivia means facts about past events in history, culture, sports, etc. So the next article here is about the TV program Hoy, which is suitable for the family here. It airs Monday, 9 a.m. So let's listen together.
Hoy. Monday, 9 a.m. This morning show, recorded live in front of an audience, is broadcast in the United States, Central and South America, and parts of Europe. A team of hosts offers family-oriented entertainment. On today's program, the guest chef cooks up some Peruvian shrimp, and a prosperous businessman gives advice to members of the audience.
So here he says this morning show. Why do we call it morning show? Because it airs in the morning at 9 a.m. This morning show recorded live. It's live in front of an audience, is broadcast in the United States, Central and South America, and parts of Europe. A team of hosts offers family-oriented entertainment. So today's episode, the guest chef cooks up some Peruvian shrimp, and prosperous businessman give advice to members of the audience. The third article here is about the National Geographic. This is a well-known channel, of course, that give many documentaries focused mainly on the nature and some animals. So let's listen to the article together.
National Geographic Channel. Thursday, 8 p.m. The National Geographic Channel is a television channel that features documentaries about science and technology, animals and nature, exploration and culture, produced by the National Geographic Society. It provides authentic and inspiring content for different age groups of viewers. The channel is dedicated to sharing factual knowledge and promoting genuine interest in our world, in an innovative and entertaining manner. National Geographic Channel was originally launched in the Middle East in 1998, followed by National Geographic Adventure in 2007, National Geographic Wild in 2008 and National Geographic Abu Dhabi in 2009. Today, it is available in 25 languages, in over 143 countries.
So here he's talking about the well-known, of course, National Geographic Channel is a television channel that features documentaries. So it has lots of documentaries for different issues about science, technology, animals, nature, exploration, and culture, produced by the National Geographic Society. It provides authentic and inspiring. It's really inspiring content for different age groups of viewers. The channel is dedicated to sharing factual knowledge and promoting genuine interest in our world in an innovative and entertaining manner. So they are focused on documentaries to give many information about different issues, science, technology, and mainly focused on nature and animals. So the next article here, CSI, Crime Scene Investigation. This is a well-known TV show, of course. So let's listen to the article together.
CSI, Crime Scene Investigation. Thursday, 9 p.m. CSI is an American crime drama about a team of forensic scientists who investigate mysterious and unusual deaths. In tonight's episode, Grisham, Stokes, and Brown take on the puzzling case of a jogger killed in a park. At first the team suspects it is a strange accident. But they eventually discover that someone has been plotting a series of disturbing crimes.
So the TV show here is CSI, which is an acronym, of course, for Crime Scene Investigation. CSI is an American crime drama about a team of forensic scientists. Who are forensic scientists? Who they are the people or the scientists who investigate unusual deaths. Unusual deaths. In tonight's episode, Grissom, Stokes, and Brown take on a puzzling case of Jagger killed. So he was killed. That's why they need the forensic scientist. In a park. At first, the team suspects it's a strange accident, but they eventually discover that someone has been plotting a series of disturbing crimes. So this is a well-known American TV series regarding many deaths, and the forensic scientists try to figure out who is the culprit. The next one here is a well-known TV show, Top Gear. So let's listen to it together.
Top Gear. Wednesday, 9:30 p.m. Top Gear is an award-winning British television series about cars. It was originally launched as a conventional motoring magazine show. Since its relaunch in 2002, the new version has developed its own humorous style. The program is estimated to have about 350 million viewers worldwide. The show has received acclaim for its style and presentation, as well as criticism for its content and some of the cutting comments made by presenters. It remains, however, one of the most popular motoring series worldwide.
So this is indeed one of the most popular TV series regarding cars worldwide. Why is that? Because it has many cars, and to me, because of the humorous style. So you are watching the show about cars. At the same time, you're laughing at their jokes. This is one of the main reasons that they are successful. So give the correct word of the definition. This is the definition here. Very unkind comment intended to wound the feelings of others. Give the correct definition here. Very unkind comment intended to wound the feelings of others. So what's the term from the article here? Yes, it's cutting comment. So cutting comment means a very unkind comment, not nice, intended to wound the feelings of others. So as I said, from the name itself, Sasuke, you know, it's a Japanese show. It's a sports entertainment program that airs twice a year. Twice a year. Each is a 3-hour special, covers an entire competition in which 100 fighters and athletes compete in one of the most challenging physical contests imaginable. So airing twice a year makes it really interesting, especially when there's 100 athletes competing against each other. So give the correct word for the definition. Try to do something. What is the word that means try to do something? It's the word attempt. It's the word attempt. So let's jump to the quick check here, the vocabulary. Complete the sentences with these words. We have 8 words here. Air, plot, broadcast, prosperous, contestants, puzzling, inspiring, and version. So let's answer the first one. 2 words that mean to transmit to an audience by radio or television station are to and to. So number 1 is, yes, that's correct, to air and to broadcast. Number 2, to plan something secretly. To plan something secretly, nobody knows, is to plot. That's correct. Number 3, someone who has had financial success is someone, again, who has had financial success is, that's correct, it's the word prosperous. Number 4, something that causes a feeling of excitement and strong desire to do something important. Something that causes a feeling of excitement and strong desire to do something important is, yes, inspiring. To inspire someone to make him do something. Number 5, people who take part in a contest are called, what do they call people who take part in a contest? That's correct, contestants. Number 6, something that is difficult to understand or solve is something that is difficult to understand or difficult to solve is, yes, puzzling, from the word puzzle. Number 7, a variation of an earlier or original thing is, again, a variation of an earlier or original thing is. That's correct. It's the word version. Number B here, comprehension questions. Name the show or shows. So we'll be naming the shows here. Number 1, which show has attracted both positive and negative comments from viewers? Which show has attracted both the positive and the negative comments from viewers here? Yes, it's Top Gear. So Top Gear had positive and also some negative comments from viewers. Number 2, which show is broadcast in the morning? If you remember, which show is broadcast in the morning? And it was called the morning show. Yes, it's the show Hoy. So it was called the morning show Hoy. Number 3, which show airs twice a year? Which show airs twice a year, if you remember? Yes, that's correct. It's the show Sasuke. Number 4, which shows are available in more than 20 languages? Number 4, which shows are available in more than 20 languages? National Geographic shows and documentaries. Again, the National Geographic shows and documentaries are available in more than 20 languages. Number 5, which show has aired for more than 40 years? Which show has aired for more than 40 years? Yes, it's the show Jeopardy. Number 6, which show might be enjoyed by a person who likes murder mysteries? Which show might be liked by a person who likes murder mysteries? If you like murder mysteries, what is the show for you here? Yes, of course, this is very obvious. It's CSI. It's CSI. So here we have a language builder. English speakers often use the term soap opera to refer to programs similar to telenovelas. One difference between a soap opera and the Latin American genre of the telenovela is that soap operas never end. Again, soap operas never end. The stories just evolve over the years. So the soap operas, they never end. They just keep going on and on. The story just evolve over the years. So jumping to the pair work here, create your own idea of a TV program. Decide on the kind of program and the title. Then write a brief description of the program. So try to come up with a program. What kind of program is it? What's the title of the program? Then discuss your idea with your friend. Here are some questions to help you. What kind of program is it? Maybe a comedy, a crime show, sports show, etc. Maybe a cooking show. If it's fictional means not a real life story, what will the stories be about? If it's fictional, not real, what will the stories be about? So try to answer this by yourself. Who are the main characters? What time should it air? Who will the audience be? So this is the most important question here for me. Who the target audience for you? Who are the target audience for you? Are you targeting young audience, older audience, or so again the question here, who will the audience be? Are they children, teenagers, adults, families, etc.? So the show will be for families or for teenagers or for young children. So you have to answer these questions to begin thinking about your own TV program. Here are some fun facts here. The longest running soap opera in the US was a program called Guiding Light. The longest running soap opera in the US was a program called Guiding Light. It began as a radio program in 1937 and then became a TV program in 1952. The last episode was broadcast in September 2009. Another fun fact here, in Great Britain, a radio soap called The Archers has been running 6 episodes a week since 1951. This is really long. for a total over 15,000 episodes. One actor, Norman Painting, has played the role for Phil Archer since the program began. So this is really interesting. And with that, we reach the end of this lesson. See you next lesson, inshallah. Subhanak Allahumma bihamdik. Ashhadu an la ilaha illa anta astaghfiruka wa atubu ilayk. Assalamu alaikum.